This guy heard a loud noise in the yard and was shocked to find two friendly kangaroos playing in the grass. Amazed, he quickly started recording, but unfortunately, one of the kangaroos didn't seem to like him very much. What do you think those kangaroos were up to? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe.